Hi there and welcome to Fire Style Yoga. My name is Rodi and I will guide you through today's neck, shoulders and upper back session. Join me here, seated, crossed legs, and let's begin the practice. Find yourself the comfortable position with your back nice and straight. And let's just take a few deep breaths here with the hands relaxed down on the knees and eyes closed. Taking a deep breath through the nostrils and exhaling through the mouth. Closing the eyes if you didn't do so yet. Inhale through the nostrils and exhale through the mouth. Let's do one more. Inhale through the nostrils and exhale through the mouth. Connect with a deep breath in through the nostrils, out through the nostrils or through the mouth, however it feels good for you today in this moment. Connect with your body. See if with each breath you can relax in the shoulders a little bit more. You can let go in the shoulders a little bit more. From here we are going to inhale, and with the exhale bring the chin down towards the chest. You might open the eyes or keep them closed, however you prefer and you wish. Inhale here and rotate your head towards the right. Drop your head back. Come towards the left and back to the center. So let's do this slow, nice and slow neck rotations. There is no rush, no need to rush, no need to push yourself. Just simply breathe deeply and synchronize the movement with the breath. One more circle here. And back to the center. And from here we are going to go to the other side. So exhale all the way. Inhale towards the left. Back, right, and back to the center. I really advise you and recommend you here to keep your eyes closed so you don't get any dizziness from your eyes running around your space. And really notice the effects of this movement on your body. See if you can go slower. Keeping that breath active. One more. And then we come back down to the center, chin towards the chest. Maybe feel a little bit of a stretch on the upper back, the neck. And from here slowly, we bring the head back up to a neutral position, chin parallel to the ground. And from here we are going to do side movements with the neck. So we're going to bring the right ear towards the right shoulder, the left ear towards the left shoulder. Okay? Still synchronizing with the breath, still keeping that breath active. So we are going to inhale here to the center. Exhale, go to the right. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, go to the left. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. When you go to the side, really make sure your head stays neutral, so you're not turning down or up. You stay neutral with your gaze forward and you feel that stretch on the side of the neck. A few more here. Again, you can close your eyes. And back to the center. Awesome. Same thing. This time we are going to turn the whole head towards the right. So it's like a diagonal stretch on the neck and also a turn of the neck, a twist. Okay, so we go to the right, we come to the center, go to the left. Same thing, we keep that breath active, okay? We synchronize the movements with the breath. Inhale to the center, exhale through the right. Inhale, exhale. A few more. And back to the center. Take a deep breath in here. And exhale. Really nice. Open your eyes. Sorry, in case you close them. We are now going to go to the shoulders. So keeping the hands down, relax on the knees. We're going to inhale and bring the shoulders up towards the ears. And with the exhale, we're going to rotate them back and down. Okay, inhale up, rotate them back and down. Again, up, back and down. Up, back and down. A few more. Up, back and down. Amazing. Release. Let's go one shoulder at a time. So we inhale maybe to the right, exhale through the left. Maybe the movement also moves a little bit into the side of the body. Keep going. Close your eyes, synchronize the movement with the breath. Just a few more. Go slow, really feeling the movement, feeling the muscles, feeling the joints. 2 and 1. Back to the center, shake a little bit on the shoulders. Awesome. Okay. And we are going to do another one. This time we are going to do full shoulder rotation. So we're going to open the arms up, rotate them back and down, and again up, rotate them back and down. Synchronize with the breath. We inhale when we go up, exhale when we go down. Two more. And 1. And release the hands down on the knees. Maybe shake a little bit in the shoulders. Move a little bit in the neck. Just in case a little bit of tension made its way in again. Okay? Nice. Let's inhale again and open the arms nice and wide. Alright, we are going to inhale here and exhale. Give yourselves a nice hug with your arms around the body. Inhale, open. Exhale, nice hug. Make sure when you are open, you're also opening the chest. You feel the shoulder blades back, that they're coming together. Okay, so open, close, open, breathe in, close out, in, and out, in and out. A few more. A few more. Last one. Give yourselves a nice hug. Stay here for one breath. Now we are going to go a little bit faster with a fast release. So we are going to inhale with the arms around the body and exhale, opening the arms and exhaling through the mouth. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. Two more. And shake the arms up. Shake the fingers, shake the hands, shake them down, shake the elbows, shake the shoulders, shake them to the side again, up. Just a little bit of really nice release from the arms and the upper back and the shoulders, maybe the neck. Awesome. And then we slap the shoulders forward. Just really activate the energy in the shoulders. Improve circulation and really letting go of all that tension that we are holding on our upper backs. On top of the shoulders. Deep breaths. Long breath here. Long and deep breath. And on the upper back. And open the arms wide, close your eyes, bring the attention inside. Tension to the shoulders, to the arms. What's alive? What changed? What is different? Do you feel the activations? Do you feel the sensations running through your body? The subtle vibrations, the pulsing, the tingling. And release the hands down on your knees. Awesome. Slowly opening the eyes again. We are going to do a little bit of a cat and cow sitting here, so we really activate the whole spinal column here. So relax the hands down on the knees, relax the shoulders down. Inhale, open the chest forward, move the pelvis forward. Exhale, round the back, bring the chin to the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Again. Two more. And last one. And stuck your spine back to the center. Really nice. Let's bring the hands on the shoulders again, elbows up. We are going to inhale through the left, exhale through the right. Close your eyes so you don't get dizzy. Keep your elbows up parallel to the ground. Four more. Back to the center. Inhale, keep your hands where they are. Hold the breath for 3, 2, 1, and release. Release your hands down. Move a little bit in the shoulders, move a little bit in your neck. come back to stillness. Close your eyes just in case you open them. Taking a few deep breaths here and really staying present with the sensations running through the body, especially in the upper back, the neck, the shoulders. What's alive, what's present. Feel the tingling, the buzzing, the subtle sensations. Just a few more deep breaths here. Full presence and awareness of the physical body. Let's take a deep breath in through the nostrils and out through the mouth together here. And then slowly opening the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Namaste.